No, you cannot move your mouth. Okay, you can
go like this.
no, that's gestures already. Just do the action. Okay, just to remind you guys, just to give you a reminder, this has countings. Okay, it has counting, so you need to count. Okay? Alright, we will not tell you how many it is, but you have to count how many the person will be giving you. Okay, there's no beat naman. It's just the counting. Okay, no beats. Okay, ready again. Sasabi daw sila.
Kailan ba mo po?
Tito Nel, I need referees. Wait lang. Tito Nel, I need referees to check who's mouthing. No one is allowed to use their mouth and use gestures, okay? Just movement. You count with your mind. Okay, ready? Go!
Ito wala nag-ano sa kanya.
Hindi ako ang parang pangalawa pa lang, malinda ka. Natalo mo ba ito, Joy?
Let's watch the video after Tita Joy, Tita Jane, and Tita Vic is recording it. Tita, you record the entire so you know who did it.
With flashing eyes. With flashing eyes.
Wait, keep watching. More. There's more crowd. Wow, there's more.
Sabi nagbago.
Run.
Parang yung going.
Do it, guys.
Okay, next time.
Layo.
Oh my God. No, I'm not going in the back.
the whole thing. Okay, I'll go to the back. Me and Kayla goes to the back.
Ako na lang.